In this video, I will show you what is constant current and how it is useful in many cases. Let's get into the video. So, let us first talk about constant voltage. It is very simple. We can set the voltage we need by this potentiometer, and our power supply will output any amount of current to keep the voltage stable, like with this LED strip. Now, if I reduce the current limit, we can see that the voltage drops in order to maintain the set amount of current flowing. Let us see this as a graph. At the start, we see the voltage is maintained till we reach the set limit. Once we get there, the voltage is still at the same level. But as we try to draw more current by decreasing the resistance, it drops the voltage to maintain the same amount of current flow. Let us test this practically. For that, I got a 1 ohm resistor, connected it to my bench power supply, set it to, let's say, 20 volts, and a constant current of 1 amp. By turning on the output, we see that 1 amp flows through, and the voltage has dropped from 20 volts to almost 1 volt, which according to Ohm's law is correct. Let us also try with a 10 ohm resistor. I did the same as before, and now we see that the voltage has dropped to only 10 volts unlike before, which is also correct according to Ohm's law. Now, because of this, we can prevent our circuits or components from blowing up from too much of current. To test this, I got a 1 ohm resistor, this time smaller. I connected it to my power supply at 26 volts and a constant current of 500 milliamps. Now nothing blows up and my resistor here is saved. Connecting it to my power supply at a constant voltage of 4.5 volts, there will be a current flow of 4.5 amps according to Ohm's law. And as you can see, the resistor is burnt and doesn't allow any more current to flow through it. We can also use it to charge batteries with the constant current, therefore preventing too much of chemical reaction inside the battery, therefore not much of heat is produced, preventing it from blowing up. We can even make out the forward voltage of an LED. LEDs require a constant 20 milliamps. So at 20 milliamps, we see a voltage of 3 volts, which is the recommended voltage for this 5mm white LED. With this, we come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.